So today is Father's Day and I'm hanging out with my dad. So for today's demo, we are going to share some of our favorite smoothie recipes with you guys. But to make it interesting, we're going to turn it into a game. So my dad's gonna make 3 of his favorite smoothie recipes and I will make 3 of mine, and I will have to try to guess the ingredients in my dad's smoothies and he'll have to try to guess the ingredients in mine. And the winner will get...
Deetra will buy dinner for the winner.
The loser will buy dinner for the winner. So I'll be getting free dinner from my dad. So we will get 3 guesses for each round. And I can't wait for my free dinner. All right, let's get started.
Okay, you know I'm an expert, right?
Pinky up for the bourgeoisie.
Definitely.
You only get 3 guesses, remember?
Mango, banana, apple.
You got 1 right.
It's a berry. Can't tell which berry. Look like raspberry, strawberry.
One more guess.
Kiwi?
No, but you got 2 correct.
Definitely orange. Blackberry. Kiwi?
Only 1 correct.
Only 1? Ah.
I'm scared.
You should be scared. Would you have that every day?
I could.
You could?
Okay, I think you put, I got 3 guesses. Banana. Banana, orange, and pineapple.
1 wrong.
So I got 2 right. 2 points for me. Cheers.
Cheers.
Why is it this color? Apple, banana, apple, banana, maybe strawberry? Well, how many did I get right?
2.
2! I wonder if they did this in the fridge.
It's delicious. That's kind of my best smoothie right there.
Blueberries. I'm gonna guess blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. All 3? I'm the winner!
She's the winner, so she gets to buy dinner.
No. Well, it is Father's Day, so I will make sure that my dad gets his free dinner. That's the least I could do, right?
She just barely won, but then she got the opportunity to really taste some of my best smoothies.
Yes, my dad's smoothies were great. So that concludes today's demo. Thank you guys so much for watching. My dad and I also enjoy juicing and creating new juice recipes, so you can look out for a video on that somewhere down the line. Thanks again for watching. Happy Father's Day. Thank you for doing this video with me.
You're welcome.
So yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next week with another demo.